Hello everyone, it's me, Penguin Gamer Pro. Today we're gonna find out what this thing is. It randomly showed up here, so I wonder what it is. What could it possibly be? Is it a fire? Oh, it's just water. I thought it was something else. Let's see how far can I jetpack? I swear, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, that looks like I legit swam. Okay, let's jetpack again in 2.0. I mean H2O. Now let's go up. Whoa, I could jetpack up more than that. Wow. So I'm gonna just buy something else. So let's hop in my car and see what could we buy. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oof. Let's go here. Okay, super speed, following the road. There's a police station. That's a little beep. Wow, this is the end of the road. We'll get a turn. Whee! You know what, guys? I'm going to buy the jet ski, whatever it's called. Where could it be? I don't remember. Last time I saw it, it was probably somewhere over here. Where could that jet ski be? Hold up, guys. Okay, guys, good news. I found the jet ski. Now let's buy it. It's a little slow speed. Now let's go. Jet ski, here I come. There it is, guys. The jet ski. Let's buy it. Buy. Wow. Dude, it's legit so cool. Let's lock it. I wonder how would this look like with my customization. Wait, there's 2 passenger seats? No, there's only one. Well, anyway. Wow, this is very slow. What? I can't move. Well, I can only move. Why? Wow, I can't move. Which really sucks. I can only move on water. Hold up, let me get my jet ski. Asimo, fix this. There you go. There goes nothing. Beep beep. It sucks that you can't move on water or land. Let's take a ride. Beep 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 beep. Hey, giant rock is moving the way. Beep 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 beep. Ow! Excuse me. Beep 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 beep. Wee! Ouch! No, no, I can't. Well, my jet ski is stuck for good, and I'm gonna die instead. So I die. Ouch. You know what? Let's be a cop. What? Who has ever seen a cop stuck in a jail skit? Well, that sucks. Anyway, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. And see you guys next time.